Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video session, I am going to solve week 4 assignment of ethical hacking. So friends, let's see the first question. Which of the following statements is or false? Be careful on true or false cases. Okay. Option R, hypervisor allows one host system to support multiple virtual machines by sharing the resource. That is true. Hypervisor allows one host system to support multiple virtual machines. However, it does not allow resource sharing. That is false. And Kali Linux is a Debian-based Linux distribution that has collection of tools that are useful for penetration testing. That is correct. True. And option D, Kali Linux is a hack-proof secured operating system. That's not correct. No OS is 100% secured. Okay. So here B or D is the false. So I select B and D. B and D. Now moving into the next question, question number 2. Which of the following statements is a true about active reconnaissance? Okay. Options are: information about the target is collected indirectly, information about the target is collected directly, there is a chance of detection in active reconnaissance, there is no chance of detection in active reconnaissance. Okay. So here B and C are correct. Information about the target is collected directly and there is a chance of detection in active reconnaissance. Okay. B or C is the correct answer. Now get into the next question, question number 3. Which of the following is not an information source over the internet for an attackers? Options are Whois, YouTube, archive.org, netcraft, Hydra. Here Whois, archive.org, netcraft and Hydra are an information source over the internet for attackers. Only YouTube is not an information source. Okay, so option B will be the correct answer. I select option B. Now moving to the next question, question number 4. Which of the following data cannot be retrieved about the target system website using Whois database lookup? Okay. Here options are registration details, name servers, IP address, history of website, none of this. Option D will be the correct answer. Option D. Now get in the question number 5. Which of the following search operators can narrow down the search results to a site that has the targeted search term in the URL? And that is option A will be the correct, in URL. Okay, so I select that one. Now moving into the next question, question number 6. Which of the following information can be retrieved using DNS or mail server enumeration. Okay. The options are usernames, computer names, operating system, open ports, IP address of systems, and size of the network. Here, usernames, computer names, and IP address can be retrieved. Okay. So option A, B, and E will be the answer. Okay. So option A, B, E. Now get into the next question, question number 7. Which of the following statements is a true for host discovery using ICMP echo and ICMP non-echo sweep? Options are: in ICMP sweep, the attacker sends out an ICMP echo request packet to the target and wait for an ICMP echo reply response. That is correct. In non-echo ICMP sweep, the attacker sends out an ICMP echo request packet to the target and waits for an ICMP echo reply response. So that is false. Actually, ICM here non-echo ICMP sweep sends out ICMP message instead of ICMP echo request. Okay, so that is false. In ICMP sweep, if the attacker does not receive an ICMP echo reply, then the host is considered as down. That is true. In ICMP sweep, if the attacker does not receive an echo reply, then the host is considered as a live. That is also false. And in non-echo ICMP sweep, if the attacker does not receive an ICMP echo reply, then the host is considered as a down. That is also false. So A and C is the correct answer. Okay. Now moving into the next question, question number 8. Which of the following options are used for host discovery using TCP and UDP sweep respectively? Options are PE, PP, PE, PM, PS, PA, PS, PU, PA, PU. Here D or E are the options which is used for host discovery. Okay, because PS and PU is for TCP and PU is for UDP. That is for TCP and that is for UDP. Correct. So B or E is the D or E is the correct answer. D or E. Now moving into the next question, question number 9. Which of the following information is retrieved by port scanning? Options are information about the operating system running on the target system, the services running on the target system, the IP address of the target system. Okay, so the services running on the target system is retrieved by the port scanning. B is the correct answer, because ports differentiates the application. If I say port number 21, so FTP service is running. If I say port 22, so SSH service is running. If I say port 23, then telnet is running service. Okay. If I say port 80, the web server is running web service. So ports differentiates the application services. So if I do the port scanning, so we can identify the which service is running in which port. Okay. So option B will be the correct answer. B. Now question number 10. What kind of packet is received if the target port is closed, filtered in TCP connect or sync scan? Okay. Option are RST, SEK, sync SEK, sync and RST SEK. This is the correct answer. Option E. Now moving into the question number 11. Which of the following options are used for Whois and version detection respectively? Option C will be the correct answer. O and -SB. Option C. Okay. Now moving to the next question, question number 12. How many ports are scanned in Nmap for a target system if we use -F option? By default, 1000 ports are scanned in Nmap by default. Okay, but if we use -F option, then 100 ports are scanned in Nmap. So I write here 100. Now moving into the next question, question number 13. Which of the following Nmap scanning options are correct with respect to port scanning? -F, -P20, -P20 to 100, -P20 : 100, -P20 22 28 to 80, all of this. Here -F, P20, P20 to 100 and P20 20 to 28 80 is the correct answer. That means A, B, C and E. Okay, so I select A, B, C, E is the correct answer. Now moving to question number 14. What it is? If we want to disable host discovery in port scanning, then which of the following options can be used? -F, -P, -Pn, -Sn, or we cannot disable host discovery. Option C will be the correct answer. -Pn. Now moving to the last question of this assignment, question number 15. Which of the following can be used to reconnaissance countermeasures? Okay. Options are: do not release critical info in public. Actually, the question is wrong here. Which of the following can be used to, here, prevent reconnaissance countermeasures. Okay, so options are: do not release critical info in public, encrypt password and sensitive information, restrict zone transfer, examine logs periodically, use firewalls. All of these, all options are need to followed. Okay, to prevent reconnaissance countermeasures. So option A will be the correct answer. So friends, I have completed this assignment. Hope this is benefited to you. Please subscribe this channel, like, share and comment if any, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the notification of upcoming videos. Thank you. Jai Hind.